Hi, little artists.
Welcome to Ovi.
Welcome back to our drawing adventure. Halloween is all about pumpkins, ghosts, and lots of fun decorations. And that's exactly what we are drawing today. A big, happy pumpkin surrounded by glowing stars and two cute little ghosts. First, we'll draw the pumpkin. Begin with the stem at the top, making it curly and fun. Now, let's draw the body of the pumpkin. But leave some space in the middle to give it a cute, cartoon face. Add two funky eyes and a big, smiley mouth to bring our pumpkin to life. Next, let's add some magical stars around the pumpkin. These will make the drawing extra special. Now, time to color. Start by coloring the stem green with a few dark green highlights. For the pumpkin, use a bright orange, adding darker orange shades for depth. Don't forget to add grey shadows underneath the pumpkin to make it pop. Lastly, let's draw our two cute little ghosts floating near the pumpkin and add soft shadows to give them a spooky but adorable look. And there you have it, a Halloween masterpiece. Great job, little artists!